Today I'm going to start up with the Modi method. Modi method basically means modified distribution method. Modified distribution method में we have two things that you have to keep in mind. Row plus column. See, if nothing has been mentioned in your question, you have to use Modi method. If you have been given a 15 marks question for transportation, then even if they're not asking that you have to use the optimality test, you have to do it. One thing. Second, you have to use VAM in case nothing has been mentioned. Third, you have to test the optimality using the Modi method. Modi method is modified distribution method. Now I'll come to the main question. Now for example, this question has been given to you and they are asking you to solve it using northwest corner method. See project A, project B, project C and capacity. Capacity or supply, it's the same thing. Okay, then what we have to do is that this is your demand or required, right? Now let's start doing it using northwest corner method. I hope it is very clear to you because we've already done this thing lot many times in the class also. Now this will be 56. 72 minus 56 is 16. Then we will come, this is over, now we'll come up, this is also over, we'll come up to this one. This is 66, 36 and 41. Now you can always see that it is a balanced question. Now what you have to do is, first of all you have to check the rim requirement. Rim requirement is equals to m plus n minus 1, number of rows plus number of column minus 1, right? So we have 3 rows plus 3 column minus 1 is equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a normal question. This is not a question of degeneracy. Now what you have to remember is, row goes like this and column goes like this. Isme what you have to do is Ri plus Kj is equals to Cij. What does this mean? I'll just let you know. First of all, you have to write, आपके पास जितने भी stone squares हैं, you will concentrate on stone squares first. Stone squares are the squares wherein allotment has already been done. So first stone square is WA, right? WA का हम क्या बना सकते हैं? This will be R, आप ना okay, R1 plus K1, row 1 plus column 1 is equal to C11, right? So this let R1 is equals to 0. This will remain the same in every question. You always have to assume R1 is equals to 0 in the first part. So it will be 0 plus K1 is equals to 4. 4 is taken from here. So K1 is equals to 4. You'll put it in a box. Next we have, R2 plus K1, row 2 and column 1 is equals to 16. R2 you don't have. You can leave this thing for this time being because you don't have any of these values. You will pick up the next one. R2 plus K1. I'm sorry, ये K1 है ये तो आपको K1. तो R2 plus 4 is equals to 16. R2 is equals to 12. See, अगर कभी ऐसा हो जाए that you are not having the values which they are asking, supposedly दोनों values आपके पास नहीं है, तो आप third निकाल के देख लो. ऐसे के निकालो जिसमें you can use these values. R2 plus K2 is equals to 24. R2 is 12 plus K2 is equals to 24. K2 is equals to 12. Then third, R3 plus K2 is equals to 16. We already have that. R3 plus 12 is equals to 16. R3 is equals to 4. Next we have R3 plus K3 is equals to 24. 4 plus K3 is equals to 24. K3 is equals to 20. Now we have arrived at all the required values which we can derive. So now what you will do is you will be making a column for unused cells. Unused cells कौन से हमारे पास? the ones in which no allocations have been made. Unused squares, इसमें उल्टा हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे हमने R1 प्लस KJ प्लस इज इक्वल टू CIJ लिया था, इसमें हो जाएगा CIJ माइनस R1 माइनस KJ. The rule is that you don't have to write this one first, otherwise you'll definitely get confused. Always write R wala and K wala first, then I'll let you know how to derive it. 1 to 2, first में second, first row and minus second column R1 minus K2, तो and इसमें हो जाएगा C12, ये वाला 1 and this 2. Second is 1 3, you can write C13 again over here, otherwise R1 minus K3, तो 1 and 3 यहाँ से उठा के you can do it. Let's do it side by side. C12, this is 8, 8 is there, C12 is 8 minus R1 is 0 minus K2 is 12, this will come out to be minus 4. Then R1 C13, 13 is 8 minus R1 is 0 minus K3 is 20 is equals to minus 12. Then we have R2 minus K3, so C23, right, 2 and 3, यहाँ पे आप 2 and 3, मतलब second row का third column. Then we have 16 minus R2 is 12 minus K3 is 20 is equal to 16 minus K32 minus 16, right. Then we have this one is last one that's left, 3-1 C31, आप यहाँ चाहे यहाँ से उठा लो. 3-1 कैसे हमने लिया, थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, माइनस R3 minus K1, this is 8 minus R3 is 4 minus K1 is 4 is equals to 0. After coming to this point, there is a difference between this method and stepping stone method. In the stepping stone method, we used to make loops for every water square possible, right? But in this case, we will not be making loops for every water square. We shall pick up the most highest value with negative sign. You can say highest value with negative sign. I am not saying highest negative sign because highest negative value, because it can give a different meaning technically speaking. So I'll just tell you that highest value with negative sign we will pick up, that will come out to be 2 by 3, this one, right? So you will just note down the matrix 2 and third wala, second row and third column, this matrix, and iska jo bhi loop ban sakta hai, you will note down this original matrix first. This is 24, 66, 16, 36, 24 and 41. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Alternate signs have to be allocated starting from the first vacant or unused square you have. Now, out of the two negative signs, whichever is less, usko humne sab mein plus minus कर देना. So, this will come out to be, I'll tell you what, this will be 41, 0 plus 41, 66 minus 41, that is 25, 36 plus 41, 77, that's it. ये आपका हो गया. अब आपने क्या करना है, you'll have to repeat the whole process again. Whole process again means जब आपके पास ये वाला square आ गया, you will have to make this diagram all over again, this table, because your allocations have now been changed. This is 456. See, remaining ones will always remain the same. ये वाली change हो जाएंगी. ये वाली जो आपने 4 values है ना, these will change here. 16, 24 वाले में, इसमें हमने अब कर दिया है 41, 25, सॉरी 25, ये है 24 का, ये 16 ही रहेगा. This will not change. this is 8, this is 16, and this has come out to be 77. Now again you will take the stone squares. Why? Because now stone squares have changed, right? So you have to remember one thing, that you'll have to continue this process till the time you don't get all the positive values over here. Now what we'll do is, again stone squares ka, that was Ri plus Kj is equals to Cij. Now रो का है, ये है W, X and Y. Now रो में हम क्या कर लेंगे? ओके, फर्स्ट स्टोन स्क्वायर, रो 1 plus K1 is equals to 4. Let R1 is equals to 0. Put it in a box. Then 0 plus K1 is equals to 4. K1 is equals to 4. Keep putting it in a box to make it more highlighted. Then we have yes, R2 plus K1 is equals to 16. This will come out to be R2 plus 4 is equals to 16. R2 is equals to 12, right? Then we have R2 plus K2 is equals to 24. R2, 12 plus K2 is equals to 24. K2 is equals to 24, 12. Next we have this one, R2 plus K3 is equals to 16. Then we have R2 is already there, 12 plus K3 is equals to 16. K3 is equals to 4. उसके बाद R3 plus K, I forgot to write this one, K2 is equals to 16. Then we have R3, K2. K2 we already have. R3 plus 12 is equals to 16. R3 is equals to 4. After deriving these values, now again we will have to use the unused squares. You'll again make this table for unused squares, right? Okay. Unused squares. First is this one. 1 में 2. Cij minus Ri minus Kj. This will be C12 minus R1 minus K2, right? So C12 is 8 minus R1 is 0 minus K2 is 12 is equals to minus 4. Then we have 1 3, C13 minus R1 minus K3. This is 8 minus 0 minus 4 is equals to 4. Then we have 2 1, C21 minus R2 minus K1. 21 is 8 minus R2. R2 is 12 minus 4 is equals to, this will be 16. 8 4. Okay, this will be 0. I'm sorry. Okay. Last we have 2 3. C23 minus R2 minus K3. ये हो जाएगा आपका 24 minus R2 is 12 minus K3 is 4. 24 minus 16. 8. This will be, okay, 24 minus R2 is 12. Okay. R3, I'm sorry, row 3, column 3. So this will be row 3 and column 3. 24 minus 4 minus 16 is 16. So we just have one negative value over here. अब आप इस वाले का स्क्वायर का दोबारा लिख लोगे. This is R33 है. See, अब 1 2 मतलब इस वाले को you'll write this column, this square again. This will be 4 8, 16, 24, and you will just note down the original allocations which have been done earlier without changing anything, right? Plus, minus, plus, minus. Now you'll again pick up the least value out of these two and you will just add and subtract at the given places. This is 25. 56 minus 25 is 31. 16 plus 25 is 41 and 0. So again you will have to make this thing all over again. I'm coming to this one. How will you do it? You will again note down the original question, but you will make changes in these allocations only. Otherwise everything will remain the same. You will not touch any other thing except these. This is 4, 16, 8. I'm just noting down the original question we had. 16, 8. To be on a safer side, what you should do is, जौन सी values आपने भी change करी है ना, पहले वो वाली लिख लो. See, 8 पे 25, 31 and 41. 8, 4 था, 4 and this one. 25, 31, 41. It is quite difficult to do it like this, but please cooperate with me, okay? So, after doing this thing, you will note down the rest of the original allocations as it is. Nothing will be changed over there. 16, this is 25, this is 41 and 77. Whenever you have to check whether you're going wrong or not, you can always check the total also. This will always remain the same. 31 plus 25 is 56. 41 plus 41 is 82. 77 was required over here. Either ka bhi total will always remain the same, 72. Then we have 25 plus 77 is 102 and 41 we already have. Now after doing this thing, now again we will have to calculate the values for R1 and K1 using this formula, but I don't think so that is required. Reason being, here only -4 was left, otherwise all the values were coming out to be positive, and we have already done the improvement index for this thing. Whatever allocations we keep on changing over here, this is known as improvement index. After doing the improvement index, if you are left, either we had to do it all over again because we had 3 negative values, so we did it. And after doing this change in the values, now we are just left with 1 negative value. So there is no need to calculate this stone square values all over again. You just have to calculate the total cost now, because nothing more can be improvised over here. This will be 4 into 31 plus 8 into 25 plus 16 into 41 plus 16 into 41 plus 16 into 77. So whatever it will be, the total is 2744. So see, एक बार अगर आप चाहते हो तो let's just calculate it. Okay, let's be on a safer side. Cij Ri plus Kj is equals to Cij. Let's just take this. Now we have okay. This is your W, X and Y. This is your A, B and C. Now we have, let me just calculate it again for you. Okay, R1 plus K1 is equals to 4. Let R1 is equals to 0. 0 plus K1 is equals to 4. So K1 is equals to 4. Then we have R1 plus K2 is equals to 8. 0 plus K2 is equals to 8. K2 is equals to 8. Then we have R2 plus K1 is equals to 16. R2 plus K1 we have R2 plus 4 is equals to 16. R2 is equals to 12. Then we have R2 plus K3 is equals to 16. R2 12 plus K3 is equals to 16. K3 is equals to 4. R3 plus K1 is equals to 8. Then R3 plus 4 is equals to 8. R3 is equals to 4. Then we have R3 plus K3 is equals to 24. R3 4 plus K3 is equals to 24. K3 is equals to 20. Again we will have to make that table for the unused columns. Unused squares. Then Cij minus Ri minus Kj, then the value. First we have 1 ka third, so we will take it as C13 minus R1 minus K3. C13 is 8 minus R1 minus 4 is equals to 4. Second we have 2 second row ka second column, C22 minus R2 minus K2. So 24 minus R2 is 12 minus K2. एक minute, we've done something wrong over here. K2 is 8. एक minute, हमारे पास R2 plus K3 is equal to this. Next what we have is, give me a minute, R1 plus K2 is equals to R1 plus stone square. R1 plus K1 is equals to 4, right? Let R1 is equal to this, ठीक है. Then R1 plus K2, 0 plus K2, K2 is 8. Then we have R2 plus K1 is equals to 16. So this is K1, I'm sorry. ठीक है. Then we have R3. I've done this one wrong. Wait. Let me just do it again. This one. R2 plus K1 के बाद R2 plus K3 is equals to 16. R2 is 12 plus K3 is equals to 16 and K3 is equals to 4. Then we have stone square लेने थे ना, it picked up unused squares by mistake. R2 K3. Then last we have R3 plus K2 is equals to 16. R3 we have, or K2 we have K2 8. R3 plus 8 is equals to 16. R3 is equals to 8. Now ये हो जाएगा 24 minus 20 is 4. Then we have unused square 3 1. C31 minus R3 minus K1. So this will come out to be C31 8 minus R3 8 minus K1 4 minus 4, and last we have 3 C33 minus R3 minus K3. तो आपका C33 is 24 minus R3. R3 is 8 minus K3 is 4. 24 minus 12 is 12. Now we have a negative value for this one, 3 1. So what we will do is, we will have to pick up 3 1. But you have to remember one thing, 3 1 आपने वो उठाना है जिसके साथ इसका लूप बन सके. You will not pick up the immediate square. You will have to pick up these 4 squares. I'll tell you how. This will come out to be, you will have to pick up the squares with the help of which you can form a loop, or you can just do it in the question also, but I am doing it here for you. See, earlier also in stepping stone method, we used to make sure that the loop should be there. If you will be picking up these 4 values, then loop cannot be formed. Loop can be formed from here. YA minus YB plus WB minus WA. This, you will have to skip these 2 squares, okay? So, I have written these 4 values, 4, 8, 31 and 25. Then we have 8, 16, dash and 77. Now, plus, minus, प्लस माइनस. ठीक है, अब आप क्या करोगे? अगेन यू विल जस्ट टेक द लीस्ट नेगेटिव वैल्यू एंड add and subtracted from the remaining ones. So that is 31. This will come out to be a water square now. So इसमें हो जाएगा 31 and 25. It is 66, 77 minus 31. This will come out to be 46. इसमें 31. That's it. So now you'll again make this last time the square will be made, I hope, because already the improvement index have been made lot many times. 4, 8. The rule of thumb says whatever values have been changed वो पहले ही note कर लो आप. 8, then 16 पे 41 ही है. 8 पे we are coming as 31. Then we have 16 पे we have 46. 24 पे we have nothing. 16 पे again we have 41, 24, and we have 8 over here. This is 56, I'm sorry. Right? That's it. So after noting down these values, what you have to do is you just have to calculate the total cost. Reason being, this was the only negative value that we were getting, and we've already improved the index. So no more further improvements can be done. Now we'll again calculate the values for the stone squares we have. Let me write down these values first. Now, stone squares. You will always notice that even if we are making any kind of improvement index, the number of allocations will never change. आपका कभी भी क्वेश्चन डीजेनरेसी में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. डीजेनरेसी इज द सिचुएशन व्हेन योर नंबर ऑफ स्टोन स्क्वायर्स आर ईदर लेस और मोर देन द रिम रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ स्टोन स्क्वायर्स वी हैव Ri plus Kj is equals to Cij. Then Ri, first stone square we have is R1 plus K2 is equals to 8. Let R1 is equals to 0, put it in a box. 0 plus K2 is equals to 8. K2 is equals to 8. Now, second stone square we have is R2 plus K1 is equals to 16. R2 plus K1. We don't have any of these, so we can leave this for the time being. Then we have R2 plus K3 is equals to 16. We still don't have anything. We can leave this thing. R3 plus K1 is equals to 8. No. R3 plus K2. R3 plus K2 is equals to 16. We have K2 over here. R3 plus 8 is equals to 16. R3 is equals to 8. We'll put it in a box. Now, 8 plus K1 is equals to 8. K1 is equals to 0. Then we were again left with this one. R2 plus K3 is equals to 16. We don't have R2 with us. We have K3. R2 and K1. Okay, R2. We were again left with this one also. We'll have to calculate this first. R2 plus K1 is equals to 16. R2 plus K1. Yeah. R2 we don't have, K1 we already have, plus 0 is equals to 16, R2 is equals to 16. Then we have R2 we already got from this one, 16 plus K3 is equals to 16, K3 is equals to 0. Now you will make a column for unused squares again. Cij माइनस Ri माइनस Kj, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा आपका अनयूज स्क्वायर्स. फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट C11 माइनस R1 माइनस K1. C11 is 4 minus R1 0 minus K1 0 is equals to 4. Then we have C13 1 2 3 minus R1 minus K3. So this will come out to be 8 minus R1 is 0 minus K3 is again 0. This is 8. Then we have this one. Unused square is 2 2 C22 minus R2 minus K2. This will come out to be 24 minus R2 is 16 minus K2 is 8. 8 6 24 is 0. Then last we have 3 3 C33 minus R3 minus K3. R3 C33 is, I forgot to write the value over here, it's 24. 24 minus 8 minus 0. So this is 16. So as you can see, all the positive values have been derived. Now you will simply calculate the total cost and your answer will be there, because no further improvement can be made. 8 into 56, 16 into 41, 16 into 41, 8 into 31, 16 into 46. You will have it. Let me just note down the values from here. This is 448, 656, 656, 248, 736, and the total comes out to be 2744. That's your answer. That's your total cost.